Print offers a versatile platform tailored for businesses looking to streamline their dropshipping and custom printing needs. It supports integration with popular e-commerce sites like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy, making it ideal for entrepreneurs. Once you log in, you'll notice the user-friendly interface, designed to make order processing and product customization effortless. The platform offers a wide range of products, including apparel, home goods, and accessories, all customizable through a straightforward design tool. One key advantage of Print is its transparent pricing structure. Though the lack of subscription plans may leave some users longing for a more predictable expense model, order fulfillment is another strong suit, with global shipping options and a solid reputation for on-time deliveries. However, product samples may take longer to arrive than expected, which could be a drawback for sellers needing quick quality checks. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. While Print excels in integration and product diversity, its customer support options can be limited, relying heavily on a ticket-based system. Despite this, the detailed FAQ section often resolves common issues, minimizing downtime for sellers. Don't miss out on the chance to boost your e-commerce business. Subscribe to this channel and like this video for more in-depth reviews and valuable tips.